You know, dollar savings is what it comes down to.
Jack Veazey has 2 solar panel systems at his home in Coconut Creek.
The benefits are a $30 a month electric bill. I mean, nobody has that.
He says it's saved him over $300 a month.
I think there's a certain amount of jealousy for sure.
And comes in handy in the event of a power outage because the panels keep generating electricity.
I remember, I believe it was Wilma, which hit us, and we lost power for 2 weeks. Pretty uncomfortable finding yourself in a no AC environment like that.
Tells me that I've been had.
But Ricky Caraway in Port St. Lucie,
Just on this side of the house,
says he took out a $40,000 loan for his solar system, which was installed in June.
me feel like a fool.
And he tells Contact 5 he's now spending more money each month between the loan payments and a spike in his insurance.
Somewhere in the neighborhood of maybe 60 to 70 bucks more. If you don't look at the whole process, if you're ignorant about it, you just won't know.
Going solar may not be for everyone, but the Solar Co-op of Palm Beach County says more people are making the move since Hurricane Ian.
One of the other things that solar does is that it increases resiliency in storms, especially when you have solar paired with battery storage. And so I think, being at the end tail of hurricane season, I think we're reminded that solar can provide that for us.
7 kilowatt hours today.
Which makes it worth the money for Veazey.
A lot of savings.
But he, like Caraway, agree that anyone interested in going solar should do their research before hiring an installer, because that can make all the difference.
I've seen panels on the north facings of homes. That's not really very useful. And that's just because of bad, companies out there doing business.
I think people should be well aware. Become educated.
I'm Contact 5 consumer investigator Jessica Bruno, WPTV News Channel 5.